Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Be
morning,
ready with
ma'am.
your reasoning books, beta. Good morning. Be ready with your reasoning books, everyone. Third A and third B, let's do the reasoning today. We will do reasoning today. Beta, take out your
Okay, ma'am.
reasoning books, everyone. Take it out quickly. Okay? Take out reasoning books. Let me also take out the reasoning book of mine. Where is it? Take out reasoning books quickly. Beta, I know this is maths period, but we will finish this reasoning work today. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Take out reasoning books. Okay, I should write it on a board so that everyone can see.
Ma'am, I have done the previous work also means I have
No
done
need to tell, beta. Take out
the
reasoning books. Take out reasoning books. Open reasoning books, everyone. Take it out. Those are not taken because beta third A was informed earlier, but third B don't know. So third B, take out your reasoning books, everyone.
this book.
You don't know what is reasoning book? Huh? This is not reasoning book. Have you never attended the reasoning class, beta? Huh, Shivika? Okay, beta, we will do the word test. We will do the word test. Okay? Word test करेंगे हम. Alphabet test. Sorry, alphabet test. We will do chapter 3 now. We will do chapter 3. Everyone take out chapter 3. Take out chapter 3. Take out chapter 3, everyone. Open your books, reasoning books. And Sarthak Gangwar, switch off your mic, beta. Switch off your mic. Those whose mics are on, please switch them off. Take out chapter 3. Okay, I'm writing here also. Beta, book में ना page numbers अलग-अलग है सबकी book में. So I'm writing here chapter 3 alphabet test. Take out alphabet test. So I'm not telling you. Don't ask me the page number, beta. Page number नहीं, alphabet test जिसका नाम लिखा है उसकी exercise निकालनी है आपको. Because there are different page numbers in different books. So I'm not telling you the page number. In reasoning books, there are different page numbers for different everything, for different books.
And I don't have the reasoning book.
Very good. Okay, let me take out that. Wait a minute. This is class 3 reasoning. Okay. This is page number 17. Okay, page 10, 12, 17. Okay. Class 3 and B. Now you will tell me whether we have done this or not. Okay. Let me check it.
But I don't have the reasoning book.
Beta, don't worry. I will share a page over here. You can do it from there. If you don't have a reasoning book, I will share a page over here. मैं एक पेज शेयर करूंगी उससे कर लेना ठीक है डोंट वरी अबाउट इट इफ यू डोंट हैव अ रीजनिंग बुक सी दिस इज द पेज हियर beta we have done in third A and third B we have done these questions how many questions do we have done third A एक मिनट मैं खुद पूछूंगी wait let me ask myself from third A Apurv
Yes, ma'am.
how many questions we have done on this page
Ma'am, in this page,
yes
ma'am,
Yes, Sapur.
In this, then,
Huh?
ma'am, we have not done
Anything.
enough
Okay.
question.
Okay. Now everyone, we will do this work alphabet test. मैंने आपको alphabet test बताया था कि कैसे करते हैं. Still I'm telling you, some of the questions has been done by third B. I know third B has done some of the questions, but third A has not done. So look here on my board. Again, I'm telling you how to solve the alphabet test. ठीक है? Look here. You know, heard about the jumble up? Jumble up word सुने हैं बेटा आपने? What are jumble words? You know about jumble words? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now look here.
Ma'am means
Suppose,
we correct.
see here. Suppose the question is O-R-L-D. Can you form any word from this jumbled up word? Can you form any word using these 4 letters? 4 letters. All 4 letters you have to use. Can you form any word?
Lord.
Lord. Lord.
Yes,
Lord.
Lord.
L-U-R-D.
I'm Lord.
Very good. Lord, you can form. Okay, tell me if I give you 1, 2, 3, 4 number, how will you write Lord in numbers form? How will you write Lord in numbers form?
3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4.
Okay, see, L के लिए we will write 3,
Ma'am,
E के लिए we write 1, R के लिए we write 2.
2, 4.
Very good. ठीक है? So you will write Lord as like this. Now I'm giving you some names of your class. I'm giving some name of your class.
Olympiad also.
Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh? Yes, excused.
Ma'am, I know the alphabet test first question answer. My father told how to do these.
Beta, if your father told you, please keep it with you. Okay? पहले से क्वेश्चन करके डोंट डिस्टर्ब द होल क्लास. बाकी सबने नहीं किया ना बेटा? बाकी सब तो अभी समझ रहे हैं ना मुझसे, है ना? So let them study about it. Let them study about it.
Ma'am, in this book.
Okay, who was saying this thing? Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Shaurya Patel.
Open your cameras. Arjun, Karthik, Siddhant, Hardik, Prasang, Kavish, Arhan. What about these students? Saransh, Karanveer, Aman, Nand, इनका राघव का नेम कभी चेंज नहीं होने वाला है ना राघव? Open your cameras. Open your cameras quickly. So okay. So I am taking one name from your class. I have written A-N-K-A-H. And I asked you, this is the word of name of the class. So what will you, and naming is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like, I'm not asking you the name. I'm not asking you the name. I'm asking you some options I've given you. 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. B part is 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. C is 3, 4. Let's see. 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. I've given you 3 options. Now you have to choose कि मैं इसमें जो word naming है उसमें से correct option कौन सा है? ये जो name है इसका correct option कौन सा है? A. Why? बेटा करोगे कैसे? You know the word. What is the word? You know the name. किसका name है ये? बताओ जल्दी से. किसका name है ये? Okay, this is the name of Kanha. This is the name of Kanha. This is the name of Kanha. K के लिए what word we use? K के लिए which word? Which number? 3. A के लिए बेटा 4 भी और 1 भी है. तो 4 भी हो सकता है और 1 भी हो सकता है. 4. N के लिए 2. H के लिए 5
Ma'am,
2 1 और 3 1 2 5 4 is also correct. Both are correct. बेटा 1 के लिए 4 भी हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है, 1 और 4. ठीक है. अब इन दोनों में से कोई आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है ऑप्शन में? A option is the. अब now I am giving you one name from different class. I am giving you one name from different class, and you have to tell what is the name. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, only tell the answer because I don't have the book. Reading book.
Beta, I am explaining. I am not telling from the book. So Shivika, please switch off your mic. Okay. This is the name of a person. Now you have to tell me what is the name. Okay?
Ma'am,
हाँ. चलो दूसरा. Okay. Okay. चलो wait. Okay, ठीक है. Let me give one more name. ठीक है, ये तो तूने पहचान लिया. I want to give some name which you cannot recognize. Okay.
Ma'am, can I type?
Chat box में लिख कर दो. ऐसा नेम जो ये रिकॉग्नाइज ना कर पाए. I will jumble it up. You type the name in the chat box. आप टाइप करो chat box में.
What we have to type?
He is saying, may I tell one name? So I'm asking them to give me in the chat box.
Okay.
Only I will be able to see your chat. Nobody else. So you just type it in the chat box. Any name. तो ये तो कोई नेम नहीं होता सारा.
What we have to do? Ma'am, what we have to do? कभी मैं किसी का write in the chat box.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I got किसी का.
Wait a minute. Saransh, Chandani, and Kavish. Kavish, stop shouting, Kavish. First of all, never shout in front in the class. I'm telling you, this is my warning to you. Okay?
Ma'am, I am sent.
Wait a minute. I got it, beta. मुझे दिख रहा है.
Ma'am, I have sent a name.
हाँ, I got it. I am saying, I'm listening here. I'm just looking here only. ये तो बहुत easy है. Okay, this is one name. This is one name.
Yoga.
सारा तो recognize कर ले रहे हो. सारे तो recognize कर ले रहे हो. I want to search one name that you cannot recognize.
Can I tell in chat box one?
No need to say. Just type in the chat box. Stop shouting. Stop shouting. जो भी बोलेगा ना, जिसका भी mic on दिखेगा, I will remove them. Simply type in the chat box. एक तो शिविका का वो, I'm going to remove this Shivika from the class. I'm telling this. Continuously her mic is on. Continuously. No, these are very easy ones. अच्छा अपूर्व. Okay, अपूर्व. But still the spelling is wrong, अपूर्व. ये बहुत difficult है. आर्यन बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. Okay, this is a good one. I got a good name from. ये देखते हैं. Wow, my God, such a difficult name. ये किसने दिया था मुझे? दिव्यत ने अच्छा दिया है. ओके. ओके, दक्षता ने अच्छा नेम दिया मुझे. गुड दक्षता. दिस इज द नेम. ठीक है. No. Quiet. Now quiet. Quiet.
Ma'am, head.
No.
Ma'am,
Vanya, I said quiet. Quiet.
Ma'am, can I tell?
नहीं दक्षता, तुमने तो बताया है बेटा. Okay, now you don't know what is the name. अब आपकी समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि नेम है क्या. ठीक है. You don't know what is the name. Okay, you're not able to get it. अब क्या करोगे? I've given you some options. 3, 4 5 1 6 4
hub
5
a
अरे गुरकरण can't hide में तान switch off your mic. Oh, two
मैम
है क्या?
भक्ति मैम हुमायूं परवीन मैम भक्ति
क्या कह रहे हो वायुन है? वायुन क्या बोल रहे हो? हुमाया परवीन क्यों बोल रहे हो?
मैम आई एम नॉट
तो किसने बोला?
Amazing
कान्हा ने
भक्ति।
बोला ये?
मैम आई एम सेइंग भक्ति
चलो बेटा अगर देखो listen, my purpose is for telling this is look here, stop talking, stop your mics को mics off, stop talking now, enough हो गया बस मैं नहीं सुन रही हूँ आपकी बात, enough, mute yourself otherwise I will remove you. म्यूट कर लो कान्हा अपने आप को, ये मम्मी डांटेगी तब कान्हा म्यूट होगा. See, he's roaming here and there. कान्हा स्विच ऑफ योर माइक, ये मम्मी डांटेगी तब माइक ऑफ करोगे. हाँ चलो look here, if you don't know the name सिद्धांत I'll throw you out. जब मैं बोल रही हूँ बिल्कुल नहीं बोलना, so don't speak in between. Enough is enough, सिद्धांत. See here.
Mute your mic.
See here, everyone. Suppose this is the name and you're not able to get what is the name. This is very easy name I have given to you. There may be some questions जिसमें आपको समझ में नहीं आता इसका जंबल आप हो क्या रहा है. तो आप क्या करोगे? One by one, let me write 2 here also. One by one, we will write the words at the top of this numbers. ठीक है? For example, H के लिए we are using 3. 3 के लिए we are using H word. 4 के लिए check करो क्या का use कर रहे हैं B. 5 के लिए what we are using A. 1 के लिए what we are using I. 6 के लिए what we are using K. 2 के लिए you are using T. H B A I K T. Is there any word? No, there is no any name such like that. So that means this option is wrong. Let's try next option. 3 2 1 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 4 के लिए what we are using H. 5 के लिए what we are using A. बोलना नहीं.
for we are using B.
For 4 we are using B. Okay, yes. 5 के लिए we are using A. 1 के लिए we are using I.
Ma'am,
I. 3 के लिए H. 2
Ma'am,
के लिए T. And 6 के
Ma'am,
लिए K.
Ma'am, K.
So this is very difficult word. This is no not such a word. Here we are going to cross it also. एक ऑप्शन दिया है मुझे 4 3 5 6.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Not excused. First of all, you have to look at me. You have to look here. I will not excuse you. Nobody will switch on their mics. Now see, 4 के लिए we use the letter B. 3 के लिए
Video is paused.
H. Beta, check your internet connection. My video is working properly. 5 के लिए we use A. Sorry, A. 5 के लिए we use A. 6 के लिए we are using K. 2 के लिए we are using T. I. You know there is one word Bhakti. Yes, there is some name Bhakti. That means this is the correct option. So beta, listen to me. What my purpose is of telling? What is my purpose of telling? Look here. What is my purpose of telling? जैसे आपको नेम समझ नहीं आ रहा है या कुछ भी वर्ड है आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो आप क्या करोगे? जो ऑप्शंस हैं उसमें एक एक करके यू विल कॉपी डाउन ईच एंड एवरी नंबर. ये नंबर किसका है, ये नंबर किसका है, दिस नंबर इज व्हाट, दिस नंबर इज व्हाट. यू विल कॉपी डाउन वन वन नंबर एवरी टाइम. Okay, so you will do like this here. Not excuse, Divit. Have you listened to me carefully? Tell me, Divit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what I am saying, and what we have to do when the word is too big.
What, beta?
Ma'am, what we have to do in
बेटा सब साथ में बोल लो, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. सब साथ में बोलो, सारे साथ में बोलो, ठीक है? I'm not able to get a single thing. First of all, Divit, I asked you to switch off your mic, है ना? मैंने बोला आपको माइक ऑफ करो.
Ma'am, please see my letter. I have sent on chat
Let
box.
it be. अब मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I don't need the letters here. I don't need the letters here. It's okay. Now open your this book, reasoning book. Okay, beta. Class 3A, 3rd A, beta. We will do. आप 1 to 7 questions छोड़ दो. 3rd A, leave 1 to 7 question. We will start from the 8th question now.
Ma'am, but I don't have the book.
तो बुक ये दिखा तो रही हूँ बेटा, मेरी स्क्रीन पर है, तो जस्ट नोट इट डाउन समवेयर. जो मैं क्वेश्चंस दिखा रही हूँ उसे नोट डाउन कर लो. अब शिविका, आई विल नॉट हियर दिस वर्ड फ्रॉम यू दैट आई डोंट हैव अ बुक. अब मैंने बता दिया ना शिविका की क्या करना है. दिवित, प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक, अदरवाइज आई विल थ्रो यू आउट. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिवित. Shivika and Divit, I'm telling you, I will throw you out because your mic is unnecessarily opening and speaking something. शिविका बेटा, ये जो लिखे हुए हैं ये कॉपी में नोट डाउन करो अपनी, अगर आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस वर्क. कारपेंटर. अच्छा, दिस इज अनदर अल्फाबेट टेस्ट. चलो लेट्स डू दिस वन. मुझे फर्स्ट वाले का बताओ. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड इट इज फॉर्मिंग? चलो, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड इट इज फॉर्मिंग?
Ma'am, bird.
Bird. It is B-I-R-D, bird. Okay, B के लिए what letter, what number we are using? B के लिए
Ma'am, three.
B. I के लिए, I के लिए R के लिए, R के लिए 4, और D के लिए, one. Don't shout. Which is the correct option? और पेरेंट्स से कोई नहीं पूछेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू, nobody will ask from your parents. Nobody will take the help of your parents.
Ma'am, A.
Nobody will take the help of your parents. Listen to me carefully.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am, we will write in copy.
Yes. नहीं, बुक में. उसको बोला है शिविका को. शिविका के पास बुक नहीं है. कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है, बुक में ही करना है इसको.
In the maths.
रीजनिंग बुक. रीजनिंग बुक नहीं. आनंद पाठक, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग? रीजनिंग बुक नहीं है तुम्हारे पास अर्जुन?
Yes, ma'am.
उसमें करना है. रीजनिंग कर रहे हो. अब यू आर स्लीपिंग और व्हाट?
No, I not have reasoning book.
Then copy down in a notebook. अगर रीजनिंग बुक नहीं है तो. I think you are sleeping since a long time. अभी एंटर किया है क्या क्लास में? Okay, tell me the second one. What is the second number? It is square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Okay, tell me what is S stand for?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay. U-Q. What does Q stand for?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Okay. Then U.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Okay. Then A.
Ma'am, 2, 5, 6. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, C.
R.
Ma'am, 5.
E.
Ma'am, 5, 6.
E.
Ma'am, 6. Where is C?
E. मैं जो पूछ रही हूँ उसका आंसर दो. E.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am,
6.
Ma'am,
4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. कौन सा ऑप्शन है? 4, 1, 3. श्रेया.
Ma'am, C.
श्रेया.
Ma'am,
Stop playing with the banana. Stop playing with the banana.
C1.
C1. 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. Okay, tell me the next one. Third one. थर्ड वन का ना वर्ड बताओ. सारा
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B.
सर actually I am not saying. बेटा listen, पहले तो सबको म्यूट करती हूँ मैं. You will not be able to speak. बेटा listen. Nobody will be able to speak now because I've muted all of you because you are making a lot of noise. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do. हार्दिक, बड़ी हंसी आ रही है, क्या बात है? Listen to me carefully. मुझे A, B, C आंसर नहीं चाहिए. What I am asking, ये जो दे रखा है आपको, जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, उसका जो वर्ड है वो क्या बन रहा है? I'm not asking A, B, C, and don't ask your parents. I'm saying I'm looking at each of every one of you. That's why I asked you to switch on your cameras. ठीक है? So you will not ask from your parents. जो भी parents की help लेगा, I know who is taking the help of parents. आपको खुद से करना है try. And what I am asking, answer only that A, B, C. मुझे I don't want to hear A, B, C. I am asking which number will, what is the word will come here. Okay, and stop shouting like that. Now I don't want to hear A, B, C. I will remove you if you do that. Okay, what is the word forming here?
One number.
Number. Very good. N-U-M-B-E-R. What is the N stands for? What does N stands for? Huh? N stands for 5. U, U, 2 or 3, what?
5, 2, 1, 3, 1, 6, 3, 4.
5 बेटा मैंने आपसे अभी क्या मना किया था? I told you मुझे पूरा नहीं बताना, right? मैंने क्या बोला है? U का बताओ, मैं जो पूछ रही हूँ उतना आंसर दो, वरना बाहर कर दूंगी अभी क्या भी, बाहर कर दूंगी अभी क्या भी। U का नंबर बताओ जल्दी से। U 2, very good. M 6. E 3. R 4. Okay, so 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4 is the answer. Which is the answer correct one? Tell me the option. 5, 2, 1, 6, 3, 4. B option is the correct. Okay, now A-N-R-K. Can you tell me the word?
Rank.
What is the word? Rank. R-A-N-K. What does R stands for? What does R stands for?
3.
A. A. 1. N. 2. Okay. K. 4. 3, 1, 2, 4 is the correct answer, right?
Ma'am, it is C answer.
3, 1, 2, 4 is C option. Very good. Now tell me the fifth one.
Plane.
P-L-A-N-E. P for?
Ma'am, 2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
L.
3.
L.
4. Ma'am, 4.
4.
Ma'am, 5.
बेटा L के लिए 3. L के लिए 3. A के लिए 4. Yes. A के लिए 4. N के लिए? N के लिए?
Ma'am, 5.
5. E के लिए? 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 is the correct option. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 is the correct option. So which option is it? D1. Okay. Write down these answers quickly. Let me share it on the WhatsApp D group. Huh?
There is more. 10, 7.
Just give me a minute, beta. Time to thoda sa. Let me share it these questions. Have I said that period is over? चलो, let us start doing the next question. बेटा मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है ना? Thank you for telling me. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, just give me a minute. Let me share the next link.
आज क्या Friday?
What is this? Who is this? Aaj kya Friday? Here? Who is this? And Humaira, change your name. Humaira, change your name. Rename yourself. Okay, now let's start the next question. 7th. Okay, what is this name? What is this word? What is this word?
Ma'am, abacus.
No, abacus. Yes, very good. Priya. Abacus. This is abacus.
Abacus.
Okay, tell me the word. First letter for first number.
M2.
ऐसा नहीं, let me ask one by one. Wait a minute. Let me ask one by one. मैं जिससे पूछूंगी सारे माइक ऑफ करो अपने आप, वरना मैं रिमूव कर रही हूँ. जिसका भी माइक ऑफ है, माइक ऑन है और वीडियो ऑफ है, आई एम रिमूविंग देम. फर्स्ट लेट मी रिमूव दो स्टूडेंट जिनका माइक ऑन है और वीडियो ऑफ है.
Ma'am, you left 6th one.
अच्छा, आई लेफ्ट इट वन. डोंट वरी, अभी अभी करवाती हूँ मैं. जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट. जिसकी वीडियो ऑफ है, लेट मी रिमूव देम. ये कौन है? समर सराक्षी. सराक्षी को तो मैं किसी दिन परमानेंटली रिमूव करने वाली हूँ अपने क्लास से. ये कौन है? ये कौन है जिसकी वीडियो ऑफ दी है? प्रसंग गंगवार. इसको रिमूव कर दूँ जरा मैं. प्रसंग गंगवार, लेट मी रिमूव हिम. प्रसंग, आर यू गोइंग टू स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा और आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव यू? देवित को तो बाहर करना ही है. ओके, one by one I'm asking everyone, so you will just answer me. Okay. Radha Rastogi. Radha Rastogi, tell me the 6th one. What is the 6th one?
Ma'am, solid.
Solid. What is the spelling?
Ma'am,
Jaldi bolo.
SOLID.
SOLID. Okay. What does S stand for?
Ma'am, S stand for 4.
4. Okay. O. O के लिए बेटा?
Ma'am,
5.
5.
Okay. L के लिए?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Okay. I के लिए?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Okay. D के लिए?
Ma'am, 1.
Huh? 1. 4, 5. Which option is the correct then? Tell me. Nobody else will speak. Nobody else will speak. Huh? Which one?
Ma'am, D.
D. Okay. 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. Yes. Very good. Now, Kalpit. Kalpit. Beta, tell me the abacus के जो words है. Tell me what does A का नंबर बताओ जल्दी से Kalpit. हाँ. A का नंबर बताओ quickly. You were talking ना? You were enjoying? You were not paying attention here. A का नंबर बताओ कौन से, जल्दी से. Very good. Very good, Kalpit.
Ma'am, 2.
ये कौन बोला 2? ये कौन बोला 2? कौन बोल रहा है ये 2? हाँ, Kalpit, you speak बेटा. Kalpit, speak बेटा.
Ma'am, I don't have copy.
You don't have copy, but you can see my. बेटा, listen. आप मेरी स्क्रीन तो देख पा रहे हो ना बेटा? है ना? स्क्रीन दिख रही है मेरी या वो भी नहीं दिख रही है? Tell me, are you able to see my screen? बेटा, you can see from the screen and copy down in your notebook, right? है ना? अपनी नोटबुक पे लिख सकते हो ना देख करके?
Okay, ma'am.
And pay attention here. I saw you talking over there. अब बातें करते रहते हो चेयर पर बैठकर, बस दैट्स इट, यू डू. Anant, Anant, beta, what is the name of, what is the number of A? What is the number of A, beta? Huh? 2. Okay. Okay, I'm writing 2. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 2 I'm writing here. It's not working. 2. Okay. B का बताओ.
3.
3. Okay. A का. Don't repeat the number. 5. Okay. C के लिए.
1.
1. Okay. U के लिए. U के लिए.
4.
4. S के लिए.
6.
6. 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 6. Which is the correct option? 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 6.
A.
A option is the correct one. Very good.
Ma'am, A.
Unseen. Unseen. Acha, chalo. Let me start the. Let me teach you something more. One more thing. Let me teach you. Look here. Suppose I have given you a big word. I have given you one big word. Like I have given you the word reasoning. Reasoning. अब मैंने आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. ऑप्शन A, ऑप्शन B, ऑप्शन C and ऑप्शन D. First of all, I will write down can be formed. इसमें से कौन कौन से बन सकते हैं और इधर आएंगे कैन नॉट बी फॉर्म. 2 types of I am saying giving you. Can be formed का मतलब है इसमें से कौन सा वर्ड बनता न होगा. ठीक है. I'm giving you some words like I'm giving you sun. बेटा ऑप्शन तो लिखने दो. A B C D करना स्टार्ट कर दिया पहले. ऑप्शन लिखे नहीं है. A B C D. What is this? Sun, bring, sing,
Excuse me, ma'am.
and हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, in sun there, in you have right reasoning, there is no you.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. मैं कुछ बोल दूँ. Let me speak. Let me write down the question. Okay. Okay. Now I have given you 4 letters. इसमें से कोई एक ही लेटर है जिसमें आप इसके वर्ड्स यूज करने और ये इनमें से एक लेटर ऐसा होगा, एक वर्ड ऐसा होगा जो बन रहा होगा. अदरवाइज ऑल 3 लेटर्स नहीं बन रहे होंगे. देखो बेटा, देखो. लिसन. आई से माइक ऑफ. हार्दिक माइक ऑफ कर दो अभी. बहुत बोलते हो. Look here. Sun में if you see SUN sun. Sun का S है, N है, but U नहीं है कहीं पर भी. तो U तो नहीं बन रहा होगा. Bring में B नहीं है. Reasoning में कहीं पर भी B नहीं है. तो letter B is not there. तो ये नहीं बन रहा होगा. Sing का S है, I है, ING sing. S हो गया, ING sing. ठीक है. Sing बन रहा है. But GUN gun again U is here. U भी नहीं बन रहा है. So इनमें से कौन सा वर्ड बन रहा है? Can be formed.
Ma'am, sing.
Sing can be formed. Sing is the correct option. But if I give you the quick options like which cannot be formed, so I'm giving you some options like sonar, song, see, sung, and D is sing.
Actually, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can
Wait. Nobody will tell the answer. Let me mute you all first of all. Not excuse for some time. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer will be.
Okay. No need to tell me the answer. I don't want your answers. First of all, you have to listen to me. Okay. Here you all have to listen to me कि कैसे आंसर आ रहा है.